Dear colleagues, I always make it a point to meet my prospective and existing clients as an insurance consultant and not as a salesperson. In today's competitive market, the salesperson has to play the role of psychiatrist, where he/she needs to read the customer's mind and to act proactively to acquire them. We have to show them what they want to see, to tell them what they want to hear. Our approach should be focused in keeping each and every client happy by understanding their insurance portfolio, ongoing claims, business domains they are into, their various subsidiaries, and even their clientele. This helps me in designing the right solutions according to their requirements. By implementing the above strategies, I was able to handle the insurance portfolio of a premium base of worth Rs 5 crore for India's leading Hindi newsprint company, Dainik Bhaskar Group, for consecutive 2 years. Well, that's not all. This helped us in establishing a very good relationship with the senior management team, leading us to generate many potential business referrals by word of mouth.
Hi friends, I am here to talk about initiative how BSL AMC improved its spoke location gross inflow by 100%. Mutual fund is not a preferred financial saving instrument in India. Just 9% of households invest in mutual fund. After analyzing the industry data, we realized those locations where BSL AMC presence is not there, also having a good market potential. We called those locations as a spoke location. I took this initiative, and after discussing with Bala sir and sales head, we created a comprehensive dashboard to focus on spoke location, as there was no tracking mechanism in place for such locations. The benefit of this dashboard was that salespeople were able to connect with these locations whenever they saw any unusual increase in the industry AUM, such that additional efforts were taken to tap such markets by BSL AMC. As a result, gross inflow in these markets has been increased by 100%, which lead in an increase in overall market share of these locations. Our gross inflow from such locations, which were previously in the range of 20 to 30 crores, drastically improved Rs 50 to 60 crores. Post monthly circulation of spoke location dashboard, we witnessed growth in 76 locations out of 148 locations, which we were tracking. Few locations witnessed excellent growth in terms of AUM as well as market share.
Dear colleagues, at South, customer centricity is not the focus, but it's only the focus. At South, delivering happiness is in our DNA. At South, rendering service is not a knack, but it's a culture. Keeping in line with this philosophy, we decided to innovate and reverse the model of customer service. That is, instead of customer reaching us, we decided to reach the customer at his home in an environment which is more comforting and comfortable to the customer. Our team is striving not only to solace the pain of those who come to us, but also by going to customer place who could not come to us. This genuine and bold step of our team was very much appreciated by many needy and agitated customers who turned to be appreciating customers finally. Example, few agitated customers walks out of the branch with threatening mode, skipped to renewal payment due to busy schedule, could not come to office due to age. Few customers need patient and active listening. Our team understands the pain of widows, dependents of deceased persons, and works with extra focus to meet their immediate cash needs by ensuring faster settlement of claims. Our team feels that offering clarity itself is one-stop solution for most of the service-related issues. Examples, few customers tend to surrender due to inadequate, misled market information. Most of customers perceive the process as most stringent. The fact is, our process is most customer-centric. Customers have lot of doubts to be clarified due to ambiguous information they had from various market sources. We acquire the way we serve, and we serve the way we acquire. At South, Fire to Acquire is not an initiative, but it's a culture.
Dear colleagues, I am here to share my experience as how procurement made difference by effectively utilizing the available resources within the ecosystem. In procurement, we engage supplier for providing various goods and services. Our motto is to create value by optimizing the prices, engaging quality suppliers, look for alternatives and cost-effective ways of managing needs, including supplier evaluation, risk assessment and management. Actually, we are dealing with host of suppliers from SMEs to MNCs having employee base in single digit going up to 5 digits. Daily we meet junior sales team to CEOs of the various companies who pitch their products to us. This is where we thought of making our supplier as our customers. In the process, our group and DM team helped us to understand the kind of customer they look for their group policies and also how they can access employees working with these suppliers. Basis their inputs, team made out list of suppliers who can be our potential customers. We spoke to them, took contact details of relevant person in their company and passed on the details to group team. In this process, our internal customer, say IT, marketing, ops and all the functions for whom we work has helped us a lot. The team referred more than 45 suppliers with employee base of more than 1 lakh. As I did ABG Workset marketing in the past, I connected with the relevant people and arranged data of 48 plants across India within 10 days with contact details of HR or finance or purchase team. I'm happy that I could make difference and provided some support to our sales team on field. Thanks Bhavesh and group team for giving us this opportunity.
Dear friends, we at Birla Sun Life AMC are managing customer relationships and meeting the service needs of the customer through our CRM platform. We facilitate a lot of service related workflows for our business teams to manage customer interactions fruitfully and effectively. Last year, we had an opportunity to explore a workflow to serve customer requests for registering his contact details with us. The previous workflow entailed the customer to mandatorily submit his written application to BSLM's office or service centers to get his contact details registered with us. The challenge was to build an interactive CRM process where we could manage this transactional lead through a voice process. To build this process flow and to mitigate the risks involved therein, a new solution with a maker checker feature with to and fro facility was developed and implemented in the CRM. This not only made the life of the customer extremely easy, but also helped in enriching the database of BSLMC. In the last 9 months post the launch, we have been able to process around 10,000 such requests with correct contact details updated in the system.
Today, a relationship manager handling his clients is expected to have a deep expertise and experience and a mix of incisive thinking and quick action and an ability to understand the key drivers of their businesses as well as the absolute priorities. As if that is not enough of a challenge, he is expected to know how to engage with others inside and outside the organizations and make sure the customer at the end of the day is delighted and stays that way always. A customer does not require a salesman to sell a product to him. In this impatient world, he looks up to a business manager who can also be his consultant. Each and every employee of ABFL is expected to be a personification of commitment, seamlessness, speed, passion, and an epitome of the values by which the Aditya Birla Group lives, evolves, and thrives. We have proved this by catering to a client in a place called Erode, which is 400 kilometers from Chennai, for a textile mill owner where he wanted funds in his account in 48 hours against his shares. He was skeptical if we can compete with banks with respect to speed, etc. We not only disbursed rupees 1 crore in 48 hours, but also saved rupees 1.50 lakhs for the client as the yarn prices went up the next day. What started as a 1 crore relationship 2 years ago is now a 13 crore relationship, and the client has come forward and opened up his mills for our ABIBL team to take care of the insurance part as well. The client was truly impressed with our service that he wrote a mail stating that he has in fact become a raving fan of ABFL. I see my customers as invited guests to a party and I am the host. I intend to make a client and not a sale. And as we all know, there are no traffic jams when we go that extra mile for the client. At ABFL, my job is to get closer than ever to our customers and tell them what they need well before they realize it themselves. Thank you.